In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode on your Shopify website. If you're preparing a big update, launching a new theme, or fixing something urgent, maintenance mode is the safest way to keep visitors from seeing an unfinished storefront. On Shopify, this is done by turning on password protection, which hides your storefront behind a simple access page while you work behind the scenes. Start by going to shopify.com and signing into your store's admin. This takes you to your dashboard where you'll manage everything. From the left-hand sidebar, open Online Store. This is where your themes, pages, navigation, and storefront settings live. Next, go to Preferences. Think of Preferences as the control center for general storefront options, including search engine settings and, most importantly for today, the password protection controls. Inside Preferences, find the section labeled Password Protection. Turn it on. When you enable this, Shopify immediately places your storefront behind a password page. Only visitors with the password can access the site. Everyone else will see a simple "Coming Soon" style screen. Your admin remains fully accessible, so you can continue working, editing themes, and testing privately. You'll see fields to set a password and a message for visitors. Choose a temporary password that's easy for your team to use, yet not guessable by the public. In the message box, write a friendly note explaining that your store is undergoing maintenance and will be back shortly. Keep it simple and professional, and avoid sharing internal timelines or details you wouldn't want widely visible. If you work with contractors or collaborators, share the password securely and only with people who truly need it. After you turn it on and add your message and password, make sure to save your changes. Once saved, your storefront is effectively in maintenance mode. A quick way to confirm is to open your store in a private or incognito browser window. You should see the password page instead of your normal home page. While maintenance mode is active, customers can't browse products or check out unless they have the password. Your search engine settings won't be harmed by temporarily enabling this, but it's still smart to keep downtime as short as possible. When you're ready to reopen, return to Online Store, then Preferences, and switch off password protection. Save again, and your storefront goes live immediately. That's all it takes. You've enabled maintenance mode on your Shopify website, protected your visitor experience, and created a safe space to work on updates with confidence.